Hey, boys and girls. It's probably about your bedtime right now. I am going to read you a book. I miss reading to my WIN class every day. And if anyone out there is wondering what WIN is, that is a reading class. And I brought some friends with me. This is usually my reading chair. I sit in this chair when I read at night. But I got all my stuffed animals up here. This one is Snoopy. He's about 40 years old. My sleep and snore Ernie. This is Lafayette, my bear. And then my neighbor let me borrow some of her stuffed animals, and they're all down here. And she let me borrow a book called Bear Snores On. And the bear is hibernating. Do you know what hibernating means? We might feel like we're hibernating a little bit right now, staying inside. I'm trying to sleep a lot. So Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. And there's a little mouse down here. Here he is. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. I'm a sound sleeper. I don't hear my alarm clocks in the morning. Are you a sound sleeper? Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. And a hare is a type of rabbit. "Ho, mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Popcorn and tea, those sound really good right now. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. And, oh look, here's hare. Yay. Wish you would have brought some popcorn for me. A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." That's really kind, sharing food. And they nibble and they munch with the chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole. Wait. Ah, I have a gopher and a mole for my neighbor. Yay. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. What kind of animals are wrens and ravens, do you think? The picture can give us a clue. Mole mutters, "What a night!" "What a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Ooh, it's snowing. I love snow days. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... What do you think it's gonna do? What do you think Pepper's gonna make the bear do? Achoo! He needs to sneeze like that, right? Cover his mouth when he sneezes. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Are you like that in the morning? I'm like that in the morning. I'm grumpy. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Sweet dreams, everyone.